during performance.
Hey Jenny, are you ready for your big performance tonight?
Oh, Mike, I'm so nervous. What if I forget my lines?
Don't worry, you'll be great. Just do your best.
Thanks, Mike. That means a lot. By the way, did you see the new costumes we got? They look amazing, but they must have been really expensive.
Yeah, I heard the director saying the budget was stretched thin, but they really do look fantastic. You all are going to look incredible on stage.
I know, right? I just hope I can do them justice. I've been practicing so hard, but the nerves are really kicking in now.
It's natural to be nervous. It means you care about your performance. Just channel that energy into your acting.
I'll try. Oh, and did you hear about Tom? He hasn't said a word since this morning. It's like he's lost his voice.
Really? That's unusual for him. He's usually so talkative. I hope everything's okay.
Me too. I asked him if he was all right, but he just nodded and walked away. Maybe he's just as nervous as I am.
Probably. Everyone has their own way of dealing with pre-show jitters. Some people get quiet, some can't stop talking.
True. I guess we'll just have to give him some space and support. Anyway, are you excited about your part? You have that big monologue in the second act.
Yeah, I'm excited. A bit nervous too, to be honest, but I've been rehearsing like crazy. Hopefully it all pays off tonight.
I'm sure it will. You've always been great at those intense scenes. Just remember to project your voice so the people in the back can hear you.
Good point. And remember to keep your movements big and expressive. It really helps to convey the emotions.
Will do. Thanks for the tips. I feel a bit better now, talking about it.
Anytime. We're all in this together. Just think of how amazing it's going to feel when the curtain goes down and the audience applauds.
That sounds wonderful. Speaking of applause, I heard we have a full house tonight. No pressure, right?
Yeah, I heard that too. But that's a good thing. More people to cheer us on. Just imagine the energy in the room.
That's true. And after all this hard work, it's going to be worth it. Remember how tough those first few rehearsals were.
Oh, definitely. We were all over the place. But look at us now. We've come so far.
I guess that's why we put in the hours. To see it all come together like this, it's kind of magical.
Absolutely. And think about all the fun we've had along the way, like that time the set fell over during rehearsal and we had to improvise the whole scene.
Oh my gosh, yes, that was hilarious. And a bit terrifying, but we pulled it off, didn't we?
We did. Just like we'll pull off tonight's show. We've got a great team and we've all got each other's backs.
You're right. I feel a lot better now. Thanks for the pep talk, Mike.
Anytime. Just remember, give it your all out there. And if you start to feel nervous, just look out into the audience and find a friendly face. It helps.
I'll do that. All right, wish me luck.
Good luck, Jenny. Do your best. And remember, no matter what happens, just keep going. The show must go on.
Thanks, Mike. See you on stage.
See you out there. Let's give them a performance they'll never forget.